How to change your language on TikTok. Hey there! In this language video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to change your language in TikTok. It's a very simple thing to do. Just open up your TikTok, and once you've done that, head over to your profile right here. And let me just close this. Then select your top menu on the right. Select settings and privacy. As you can see, there are a lot of options here, but just scroll a bit down and there is app language. Select that, and here you can select the language that you want to use from all the ones that TikTok supports. And once you click it and select done, your language will need to be downloaded because it doesn't come pre-built with everything. And that's pretty much it. Hope this helped. If it does, leave a like and subscribe, and see you next time.